One more time, inhale, slow exhale. Last round, inhale, exhale. Patanjali Namana. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Chin Mudra. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Take your legs out in front of you, slight hip distance apart. Hands up. Inhale. On the exhale, take the right hand outside the left leg. Inhale up, left hand outside the right leg. Continue. 1. Keep going with the breath. Inhale and exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, right hand up. Exhale, bend forward. Hold the left foot. Lift the chest up. Twist completely to the left side. Take your left hand behind you. Look at the left hand and keep lifting your chest up. Toes facing the ceiling. Keep breathing. Tighten both the legs and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Other side. Inhale, left hand up. Slowly bend forward. Hold the outside of the right foot. Twist completely to the right side. Take the right hand behind you. Lift up your chest nicely. Keep twisting with each exhale. Look behind you at your fingers. And keep the toes facing the ceiling. Legs are straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release. Same position, hands up. Inhale. Forward bend. Look at the ground. Push your head forward. Tap your fingers outside the feet, beyond the feet. And inhale, straight up. Again, exhale down. Inhale up. 2. Exhale down. Inhale up. 3. Exhale. Inhale. 4. Exhale. Inhale. 5. Exhale. Inhale. Take your hands straight up. Interlock your fingers. Push the elbows behind the head. Lift the arms up. Slowly look up at your palms. Toes facing the ceiling. Back straight. Press your legs on the ground, on the mat. Look up. Tighten the elbows and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release the hands. Now we will twist to the back. Inhale, take both the hands up, twist over your right leg, both hands behind you as much as you can, forehead to the ground. Try not to drop the feet, touch your forehead, come back up. Inhale, stretch the sides of the body. Exhale, twist to the other side, forehead down and come back up. Again, inhale, exhale to the right side. Touch the forehead and come back up. Inhale, exhale to the left side. Forehead down and up. 2 more rounds each side. Inhale, exhale, right side. Forehead down, twist little bit more. Don't drop your elbows, keep your elbows up, only palms down. And up. Again, inhale, exhale to the left side, forehead down and up. 1 round, last round. Inhale, exhale to the right side, forehead down and up. Last round. Inhale, exhale, forehead down to the left side and up, and slowly release. Just point your toes, rotate the feet clockwise, anti-clockwise, shake your knees a little bit and let us stand up. Stand here. We'll do some twisting poses today. So we will warm up for the twisting. Hands behind the head, interlock the fingers. Feet just about 1 leg distance. Elbows back, tighten your legs. Inhale and bend forward, touch the right elbow to the left knee without bending your knee. Exhale. Up, inhale, left elbow to right knee. Exhale. Again, up, right elbow, left knee. 3. Inhale, down. 4. Inhale, down. 5. Right to left. Inhale, down. 6. Left to right. Inhale, 7. Inhale, 8. Inhale, 9. Inhale, 10. Exhale and come up. Feet little wider. Hands out to the side. Inhale. On the exhale, place your hand, right hand outside the left foot. Take the left hand up. Look up at the left hand. Again, inhale up. Exhale. Left hand outside the right foot. Take the right hand up. Look up at the right hand. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand down. Look up. Try to straighten the left arm towards the ceiling. Inhale. Exhale. Left hand down. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Right hand down and stay there. Keep lifting up the chest, pushing away from the right hand and lifting up with the left fingers. Hold it. 1, 2, 3. Keep the legs fully tight. 4 and 5. Inhale. Come up. Exhale. Pull your stomach in. Reach the left hand down. Take the right hand up. Tighten both the legs. Press the outer edge of the feet nicely. Lift the fingers and the chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your feet a little closer. Relax. Last round. Hands again behind the head. You bring right elbow to left knee as you lift up. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Relax. Mukhadoti. Inhale through the nose and as you exhale, breathe out completely from the mouth. Bend forward 3 to 4 times. Inhale and exhale. Bring your breathing back to normal. Relax the body again. And slowly come forward. Ready for Surya Namaskar. Feet together. Body in a straight line. Hips tucked in. Shoulders back. Namaskar Mudra. Elbows parallel to the ground. Gently close your eyes. Keep your head up. Deep inhale. Slow exhale. Om. Hiranmayena patrena sat सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषण्णवारणो सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये ॐ मित्राय नमः. Inhale, back bend, straighten the arms, press the palms together. Exhale, forward bend, head down fully, straighten your legs slowly, don't stress right away in the first one. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Exhale, Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, heels down, push the hips back as much as possible. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, feet together. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Ravaye Namaha. Longer breath, inhale, push the hips forward, stretch the hands up, chest up to the ceiling. Exhale, fully head down, push your weight slightly forward. Uttanasana. Left leg back, inhale, look up. Exhale, Dvipada, Ashtanga Namaskara, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, head back, hips back, straighten the legs and hands. Inhale, left leg forward, look up. Exhale, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Suryaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When your legs are steady and engaged, from there, take your left hand up, look up at your left hand, push the left hip back, head back, chest back, fingertips reaching the ceiling, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. From there, Ekapada, Prasanasana, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Marichaye Namaha. Inhale, exhale, left leg back, inhale, exhale, Ashtanga Namaskara, hold your breath, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha. Now take the left leg in the center, Ekapada Prasanasana. From there, straighten both the legs, left hand on the left ankle, turn the body nicely to the right side, push the left hip back, right hand on the hip, head back, chest open and lift it up. Adjust your position here, feel your legs straightening, and when you're ready, right hand up to the ceiling, keep your head back, you can just look at the side, pull the fingertips up to the ceiling, keep tightening both the legs, push the right hip back, left hip rolling forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Ekapada, Prasanasana, Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti. Om Adityaya Namaha. 1, 2, right leg back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, right leg in the center. Ekapada Prasanasana. From there, don't straighten the right leg. Keep the knee bent. Straighten the left leg. Veerabhadra Prakara 2. Number 2. Warrior 2. Straighten the left leg. Tighten completely. Keep the right knee bent. Right thigh as much as possible parallel to the ground, but shift the weight completely in the back leg. Open the arms out. Look in front at your right fingers. Keep pushing the left hip back, chest open to the side. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay in the same position. Keep your right elbow on the right knee. Parshva Konasana. Just take the left hand over your left ear, straight up. If you can, look up at your fingers. Keep pushing the hip down. Right knee stays there. And stay for another 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Ekapada. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Savitre Namaha. 1, 2, left leg back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left foot in the center this time. And straighten the right leg. Come to Warrior 2, Veerabhadra 2. Bend the left knee, tighten the right leg completely. Body open to the right side, arms parallel to the ground. Pull the fingertips away from each other. Look in front. Try to bend your left knee as much as possible, pushing your weight into the back leg. Stay strong. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from there, slowly drop your left elbow on the left thigh. Keep the right hip down. And take the right hand over the right ear. Look up at your fingers, body in one straight line. Right fingertip to the right heel. Keep opening the body to the side. Keep breathing. Stay there. Press the back foot nicely on the mat. Outer edge especially. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Ekapada Prasanasana. Slowly come down. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Om Arkhaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Hands in Namaskara Mudra, body in a straight line. Last 2 rounds. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Left leg back. 4, 5. Hold your breath. 6. Urdhva Mukha. 7. Adho Mukha. 8. Left leg forward. Uttanasana. Namaskara Sthiti. Straighten your body. Feel the legs. Feel the back. Feel the shoulders. Deep inhale. Slow exhale. Straighten the body some more. Tighten the legs. Hips tucked in. Last round. Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right leg forward, 8, 9 and 10. Namaskar Siddhi. Relax your legs there. Just Mukhadoti, 3-4 rounds. Inhale, exhale, slowly bring your breathing back to normal. Your body is warmed up. Your mind is warmed up. Just do a few twisting poses now. And stand at the back of the mat. Feet slightly apart. Inhale and step the right leg in front, 1.5 leg distance, little less than 1.5 leg distance. Parivritta Trikonasana. Push the right hip back, tighten both the legs. Inhale, left hand, stretch it near your left ear all the way up. Exhale, keeping the right hip back. Reach halfway down. Keep the legs straight and tight. Go all the way down if you can. If you want to use your blanket, keep your blanket there. Otherwise, keep your hand inside the right foot. If you have good balance, keep it outside the right foot. Right hand on the hip. Turn your body nicely to the right side. And be aware of your right knee and left knee. Tighten both the legs, pull the kneecaps up. Keep pushing the right elbow towards the ceiling. Turn your chest. When you're steady, inhale, take the right hand up to the ceiling. If you can, look up at your right fingers, twisting the body completely and stay there. Press the back foot nicely, back heel, and press the inside edge of the front foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release there. Bring your hands down. Drop your left knee to the ground. Just come up. Again, left hand up. Stretch it all the way up. Get the left hand again on the inside of the right foot, under the left shoulder. Twist your body to the right side one more time and take your right hand up. That's all. And if you can, straighten the left leg. Keep the hip down. Try looking at your right thumb. Keep the right knee in. Don't let it fall open. Tighten the left knee back. Look up at your right hand. Chest again open to the side and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly bring your left knee down and come up. From here, come back up and let us stand up again at the back of the mat. Inhale and slowly exhale. Do the same thing on the left leg. Step the left leg little less than 1.5 leg distance. Straighten both the legs, both the hips facing front. Now inhale, take the right hand all the way up near the right ear. Tighten especially the outer edge of the right leg. Press the right heel down. And as you exhale, keeping both the knees locked, reach forward all the way halfway. Reach towards the opposite side of the room. And slowly get your hand down inside the left foot. Left hand on the hip, turn your body to the left side. Left elbow pointing to the ceiling. You don't have to look up, you can look to the side. Keep tightening both your legs. Spread your fingers on the right hand, press the palm down nicely. Push away from the ground. When your legs are steady, take your left hand up to the ceiling. If you can, look at your left thumb. Nicely twist your body. Press the inner edge of the left foot, outer edge of the right foot. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath anywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There only slowly, left hand down, right knee down. From here, inhale again, coming to the lunge position. Take the right hand all the way up. Stretch the right side of the body, right from the hip. Exhale, right hand under the shoulder. Keep it in line with your left foot. Turn nicely to the left side. If you can, straighten your right leg completely. Lock the kneecap and take the left hand up. Don't drop the left knee to the side. Keep it in. And keep pulling with the left arm up. Twist the chest nicely. Look up at your left thumb. Make sure your right leg is completely tight so you feel the right hip. And stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly drop the knee down, hand down and come back up. Standing again at the back of your mat. Again inhale and take the right leg forward. This time again 1.5 leg distance. Left hand up this time. Left foot slightly angled. Left hand up near your left ear. Again inhale and on the exhale slowly bend your right knee. You can lift up your left heel and take the left elbow outside the right knee on the side of the right thigh. Press your right palm on the left palm, Namaskara Mudra. If it's too hard, you can drop your knee down. Otherwise, keeping your left knee straight, twist your chest nicely to the side. The right elbow facing the ceiling. Look over your right shoulder. Again, steady yourself with the back leg. Completely straighten the back leg. Keep looking over your right shoulder. 1, 2, squeeze your stomach. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly drop the knee down and come back. Again take the left leg in front. 1.5 leg distance. You can angle the right foot. First find your balance. Inhale, take the right hand near the right ear all the way up. Turn both the hips to face the front. On the exhale, bend the left knee. Lift the right heel up. Bend the left thigh parallel to the ground. Twist completely to the left side. Take your right elbow outside the left knee. Press the palms together. Keep tightening the right leg as much as you can. Chest up, elbow pointing to the ceiling. Look over your left shoulder. Balance yourself with the back leg. Tighten the leg so you are totally stable. Keep breathing and hold. As you exhale, squeeze your stomach some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the hands, knee down and come back up to the back of your mat. Just stand in Samasthiti, few seconds, hands next to your thighs, shoulders relaxed, eyes closed. Just feel the body, feel the legs, feel your hips, feel the lower back. Relax the breathing. Normal breathing, slow and steady. Open your eyes. One more twisting position. Take the right leg in front, not too far. And from here, straighten both the legs. Both hands up. Inhale. On the exhale, bend the right knee, reach the hands in half a foot in front of the right foot on your fingertips. Now inhale, and as you straighten the right leg, lift the left leg up. Keep looking in front of you. Keep looking in front of you. Back flat, left leg lifted up. If you can, from here, take the right arm up, look at your right hand, and keep breathing as you stay there. Stay as long as you can. Keep stretching out the right arm and the left leg. Tighten your right leg completely. If you need to use a blanket or a brick under your left hand, go ahead. Stay for another 3 breaths. Inhale and slow exhale, tightening the right leg each time, straightening the left leg each time. And slowly hand down, left leg down, and come back. Warrior 3 position with the opposite arm and leg. Again, inhale, step the left foot in front, 1 leg distance. Straighten both the legs, your hips are facing front. Inhale, both hands up. On the exhale, bend your left knee, reach the hands half a foot in front. Keep looking up, keep flattening the back, rest your chest on your left thigh. In one move, as you inhale, lift the right leg up and straighten the left leg. Stay there for a few seconds till you get your balance. Make sure your right hand is straight in front of your right shoulder. And from here, if you can, lift up the left arm, look at your left thumb, keep pushing the right leg back, pull the left fingers forward, tighten the left leg and stay there. 1, 2, 3, keep breathing, don't hold your breath. 4 and 5, slowly, right leg down, left hand down, and come back. Take a deep inhale, slow exhale. Now from here, you're standing in the same position. Step the right leg 1.5 leg distance. Turn both the toes inside. Prasarita Padottanasana. Heels out. Tighten both your legs. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, reach the fingertips forward, keeping the legs tight. Press the feet firmly on the mat. Reach the fingertips forward. Keep looking up, head up, keep pulling your spine forward. Flatten the back. Take at least 2 breaths there. Feel your legs. Tighten the thighs, tighten the knees. Feet firmly pressed on the mat. Now as you exhale, walk your hands a little closer, in line with your toes. Inhale, look up. On the exhale, don't pull too much. Drop your head down as much as possible. Elbows pointing backwards as they bend. Slowly drop your head down. Keep the legs tight. Don't bend your knees. Drop your head. You can keep your blanket under the head and reach the top of the head on the ground. Elbows pointing back. Your head is in the center of the hands. Feet are firmly pressed, especially the outer edge. Your buttocks lifting up to the ceiling. Legs are fully tight, fully engaged. Keep breathing and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly lift your head up, bend your knees, bring your feet a little closer and come up fully. Deep inhale, and as you exhale, sit down on your mat. Stretch your legs out in front of you. Vakrasana. Bend your right knee, in line with the left knee. Wrap your both the hands around the right knee and straighten the back first. Inhale and take the right hand behind you. Left hand all the way up. Take it outside the right knee, twisting, squeezing your stomach. If you can, hold your ankle or your foot. Completely twist to the right side. Look over your right shoulder. Left toes pointing up. Press the right palm down. Straighten the spine. Keep breathing as you twist. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the hands. Stay in the same position. Just bend the left knee under you. Ardha Matsyendrasana. Take the right foot outside the left knee or wherever it is comfortable. Make sure you're sitting on both the buttocks. Again, inhale and right hand behind you. You can stay on the fingertips so your back will straighten up. Left hand up. Inhale. On the exhale, take it. Left elbow outside the right knee. Again, hold your ankle. Twist completely to the right side. Look over your right shoulder. Keep straightening the spine as you twist with each exhale. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release both the legs, straighten the legs out and just shake it out. Now bend the left knee, fingers around the left knee, straighten your back. Inhale and on the exhale, left hand behind you, right hand reach all the way up, take it outside the left knee, hold your, either you can hold this part of your clothing or else if you have a belt, use the belt around your ankle or reach for your ankle or just keep your hand there. Nicely squeeze your stomach, pull it outside, twist completely, look over your left shoulder, right toes facing the ceiling, back straight, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Stay in the same position. Bend the right knee. Take the left leg outside the right knee. Back straight in. Inhale. Again take the left hand behind you. Right hand all the way up. On the exhale, take the right elbow again outside the left knee. Hold the left ankle. Twist completely to the left side, squeezing your stomach like you wring a towel. Straighten the back, look over your left shoulder. Keep breathing as you stay there. Don't hold your breath. As you exhale, twist little more. 1, 2, press the inner edge of the left foot. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release the legs. Legs in front of you. Shake the legs out. Rotate the feet and move it side to side. Feet slightly apart. Inhale, take the right hand all the way up. Exhale, bend forward, hold the outside edge of the left foot and lift the left leg up, keeping the right leg on the ground. Take the left hand behind you, back straight and hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep straightening the arm and leg and twisting. 9 and 10. Slowly release. Same position, toes facing up. Inhale, left hand up all the way. Exhale, bend forward, keeping your head up, chest up, hold the outside of the right foot. Lift the right leg up and take the right hand behind you. Straighten the right leg, left toes straight. Straighten your back, open the chest to the side. Keep breathing and twist each time you exhale. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly release. Get your feet together. Paschimottanasana. Paschimottanasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, pull your stomach in. Don't tuck your chin in, keeping the chin open and forward. Reach all the way over your toes. Hold the outside of the feet. Bend your elbows towards the ground. Keep pulling your chin and head forward. As you're resting your abdomen on your thigh, slowly drop your head and push the top of your head towards your toes. Close your eyes and stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale, arms up. Exhale, relax your back and legs. Shake the legs out and just lie down there on your mat. Lie down on your mat. Get your feet in Baddha Konasana. If you want, you can use a pillow under your hip if it's too hard. Pressing the outer edge and the heels together. Inhale, stretch the hands up, keep your chin down. Keep breathing and just stay there for a few seconds. Push the hips open. Lengthen the sides of the body. Relax the hips and shoulders. Watch your breath. Feel your legs press the feet together. Keep opening the knees up. Deep inhale, slow exhale. Don't control your breath, but see that the breath has slowed down. And slowly release. Stretch your legs and keep lying down on the mat. Feet just hip distance apart. Your left hand on your chest, right hand on your abdomen. Your chin is down. We start with a few Om chants in the same position. 5 Om chants. Inhale. Continue 3 more rounds. Breathe in. Last 2 rounds. Inhale. Last round. Breathe in. Feel the vibrations. We'll do Ujjayi breathing. Inhale, keeping the lips closed. You breathe in from the nostrils for 4 counts and breathe out for 6 counts, pushing the air out with your throat muscles. Begin, inhale. Feel your abdomen as you exhale fully. Again, inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue a few more rounds on your own. As you exhale, tighten all the muscles deep inside your abdomen, pulling the stomach in and then expanding the muscles again as you breathe in. Hear the sound in your throat as you're pushing the air out. Last round. Slowly stop. Normal breathing. Watch your breath. Just scan your body, feel the state of your body. We'll do Brahmari Pranayam, few rounds, keeping your hands in the same position. Observe your chest and abdomen as you inhale and exhale. Makara. Take it as long as you can for the exhale. Breathe in. Continue a few more rounds. Last round. Slowly stop. Feel the vibrations. Watch the state of your mind. Slowly take your hands to the side in Shavasana, legs little wider. Palms facing up, keep your chin down, body completely relaxed. Eyes rolled back. Keep your gaze behind the forehead. Lips gently closed. Relax your legs. Relax your hip muscles. You used it a lot for the twisting today. Relax the sides of the body. The chest region.